With markets looking increasingly volatile, investors might be more interested in generating income rather than capital gains. Pfizer, PFE, has been a strong performer in the last month and is up 12.72% in that time. PFE also pays a hefty dividend with the current dividend yield sitting at 3.09%. Using options, we can generate an additional income from high-yielding stocks via a covered call strategy. PFE covered call example. Let's look at two different covered call examples on PFE stock. The first will use a monthly expiration and the second will use an 8-month expiration. Let's evaluate the first PFE covered call example. Buying 100 shares of PFE would cost around $5,152. The May 20, 52.50 strike call option was trading on Friday for around $1.65, generating $165 in premium per contract for covered call sellers. Selling the call option generates an income of 3.31% in 46 days, equaling around 26.25% annualized. That assumes the stock stays exactly where it is. What if the stock rises above the strike price of 52.50? If PFE closes above 52.50 on the expiration date, the shares will be called away at 52.50, leaving the trader with a total profit of $263, gain on the shares plus the $165 option premium received. That equates to a 5.27% return, which is 41.85% on an annualized basis. Instead of the April 52.50 call, let's look at selling the December 52.50 call instead. Selling the 52.50 call option for $3.95 generates an income of 8.3% in 256 days, equaling around 11.84% annualized. If PFE closes above 52.50 on the expiration date, the shares will be called away at 52.50, leaving the trader with a total profit of $493, gain on the shares plus the $395 option premium received. That equates to a 10.36% return, which is 14.78% on an annualized basis. These figures don't include any potential dividends received during the course of the trades. Of course, the risk with the trade is that the PFE might drop, which could wipe out any gains made from selling the call. The technical opinion rating is a 40% buy with weakest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. Implied volatility is at 26.7% compared to a 12-month low of 16.65% and a 12-month high of 40.61%. Company description. Pfizer Incorporated is a research-based, global pharmaceutical company that discovers, develops, manufactures, and markets medicines for humans and animals. The company's diversified global healthcare portfolio includes human and animal biologic and small molecule medicines and vaccines, as well as nutritional products and consumer healthcare products. Pfizer's Animal Health Business Unit discovers, develops, and sells products for the prevention and treatment of diseases in livestock and companion animals. It sells its products to wholesalers, distributors, retailers, hospitals, clinics, government agencies, pharmacies, individual provider offices, veterinarians, livestock producers, and grocery and convenience stores. Pfizer Incorporated is headquartered in New York. Of the 12 analysts following PFE stock, 8 have a strong buy rating and 4 have a hold rating. Covered calls can be a great way to generate some extra income from your core portfolio holdings.